Hello, welcome back. This is Rose here, and we're here for my 5 favorite DIY projects. So I'm excited and ready to go. I've had my second cup of coffee, so my brain is ready for creativity. So for today's fun question, how do you like your coffee? I have mine in my Mother's Day mug from my daughter, and it says the best mom in the history of the world. I don't know about that, but I appreciate it. So I like my coffee with Anthony's organic coffee, and I buy that off of Amazon with 2 stevia and a little monk fruit and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. So how do you like your coffee? Comment below. But for now, let's get started to my 5 favorite DIY projects.
Starting off with number 5. This makeup and jewelry station is definitely a favorite of mine. I did this in my own bedroom and I love the look of it, the style, it's relaxing, and everything is all in one place. If you haven't seen this video on my channel, I encourage you to check it out so you can do it in your home too. Number 4 is this cabinet door organization for your teaspoons and cups. I use this every day when I cook. I find it so handy. Check out this video if you haven't seen it. It's time for number 3. Guess what? I love pegboards. I have made so many for people across the United States and even a few in Canada. And I have 2 in my home as well as some in the garage. And they're great for crafts, for school, for homeschool, for just a lot of fun at home. You can make it whatever color or leave it natural. You can have it more glossy or have it matte, but there's so many options and lots of fun.
And being as how I love pegboards, guess what? There's a number of videos on my channel for you to check out, and let me know if you have other things that you want me to explore with pegboards. I do have mine for a future garage pegboard organization video. That's in the future, but if you have anything else, any other ideas you want me to check out on craft pegboards, I'd love to do so. But for now, let's continue on.
And number 2, my second favorite DIY project are all of the jewelry organizers. I have so many tutorials on my channel of different ways you can store, organize, and hang your jewelry, put it on your shelf, however, as art. Your jewelry is so gorgeous when you're wearing it, so why not have it as decoration on your wall or closet or bathroom or somewhere in your bedroom? But there's so many options. Check out my channel for different ways to make a shelf on a picture frame or a handmade frame. There's all different styles. This one is a vintage frame with a shelf added, and I don't think it looks like an afterthought. There are numerous places for stud earrings as well. And now it's time for number 1, DIY project. A year ago, I don't believe I would have said this, but I so enjoyed learning how to use all the tools in the garage pretty well. I still have a router left that I need to learn how to use, but I worked on my curb appeal of my home, creating a planter, and I love them. I have ideas for Christmas decorations next year. And now a bonus. So 2022, in the beginning, I was recovering from COVID infection, and it was so bad that I couldn't even walk or exercise very long. In fact, the first time I exercised was for 6 minutes. And so I went on a health journey to get healthier, to get more fit, to lose weight. And so I accomplished that, and I'm very proud of my efforts. I still have some work to do in 2023 as far as weight loss and improving my health, but I am so proud of my efforts. And would you believe, by the end of 2022, I lost 43 pounds. So definitely a cool accomplishment. I would love to know, what are your favorite DIY projects? Comment below.
Okay, I'm glad you made it this far. So thank you for watching. I would love for you to comment below your favorite DIY projects. It doesn't matter if it's one that is on my channel. You can put anything you want. I love to support other people, so links are also okay too. I just love to do DIY, and I hope you do too. So I'll see you next time on my channel, Rose, for more DIY projects. Bye-bye.